Oppo has officially unveiled its new Hasselblad Professional Imaging Kit, a modular camera attachment designed for the upcoming Find X9 Pro. On the rear will be a 50MP main camera using Sony's Lisha LYT828 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 200MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom using Samsung's ISOCELL HP5 sensor. Oppo has officially announced the Oppo Find X9 series phones. Find X9 and Find X9 Pro will be introduced at an event in China on October 16th. Find X9 Pro will arrive in common shades such as frosty white, silver titanium, and chasing light red. The handset will measure 8.24mm in thickness and weigh around 224 grams. That will be equipped with the Dimensity 9500 flagship chip and run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. For selfies, 50MP camera Samsung ISOCELL JN5. The Find X9 Pro will feature a 6.78-inch flat OLED LTPO screen with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. An ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. Slim 1.15mm bezels around the screen. The Oppo Find X9 Pro will feature a large 7500 mAh battery, with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging, as well as IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.